How to reset Bank of the West account password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Bank of the West account password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, head over to your Bank of the West account. Simply type Bank of the West and head over to this website. You can directly go to bnkwest.com as well. After you head over to this website, here you will see the login section. After you see the login section, if you want to reset your password, you won't see the reset password button. So tap on this login option without typing anything there and it will take you to this website. After you're here, you can then see the forgot password option. Tap on forgot password and it will take you to another page where you can reset your password by first entering out your username, then finally the 4-digit of your social security number, then finally your email address. After you do that, tap on the reset password option. They will send you a reset link and then you can reset it. And that's how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.